I just spent $9.24 for one Panda Express Teriyaki bowl. I made 4 bowls for 18 bucks. That is $4.51 each. And I've got every receipt to prove it. Let's build the haul. Chicken thighs, $8.11. Rice, $1.79. Kale, $2.59. Broccoli, $2.19. Cabbage, $2.71. Final grocery bill, just over 18 bucks. That's 4 bowls. And wait until you see how this tastes. Kroger's wants almost $6 for teriyaki sauce. I made mine for 75 cents. That's over 5 bucks saved before we even start cooking. Chicken thighs, that's what Panda Express uses. Season with some garlic, pour on the homemade teriyaki. Let it marinate. Onto the grill, medium heat, 20 minutes. Panda Express does not want you seeing this. Look at that glaze. Quick question, if this tastes better than Panda Express, how much would you pay for it? Rice cooker, 1 cup rice, 2 cup water, push start, done. Now the super greens, garlic, chili flakes, soy sauce, broccoli, kale, cabbage. 4 minutes, that's it. Restaurant side dish, penny prices. Time to build. Rice first, greens. Now the chicken. Extra teriyaki drizzle, done. Look at that. All right, the number you stay for. Panda Express, $9.24 for 1 bowl. My version, $18.04 for 4 bowls. If I get 4 Panda Express, that is $36.96. Homemade, 4 of them, $18.04. That means I saved $18.92. I kept almost $19. Oh man, the chicken is juicier, the glaze is better, and I saved 19 bucks. Which restaurant am I exposing next? Drop it down below. Check out this video if you want to see me destroy Chipotle steak burrito. This is Taste Bud Odyssey. Peace!